So as you can see, I've installed the Sill-Plate pressure treated 2x6s on the garage, and I'm about halfway done on the house, which is pressure treated 2x10s that weigh a ton. We also drilled the well, or I shouldn't say we, Jim and his helper drilled the well this week. Went down 260 feet. Only got a gallon a minute, so we may need a cistern, but since it's so deep, that gives us quite a storage tank. So we'll move in without a cistern and see how it works. It's the weekend before we're going to pour the slab. I've put down the vapor barrier across the entire lower level, and now I am fitting the XPS insulation for a thermal break around all of the corners, as well as the footers and the plumbing. Hopefully I'll have this done by the end of the day Sunday. Monday we'll put the metal mesh down, and then we start pouring Tuesday at 9 o'clock. It's about a little before 9 o'clock on the morning that we're going to pour the first portion of the concrete slab. It rained last night, so I've got a pump pumping out the water that's accumulated on top of the vapor barrier that we installed last weekend. But we'll be filming the pouring of the slab. Concrete trucks are supposed to arrive in about an hour. Masons should be here any minute. And we got the inspection for the preparation for concrete slab last night, and I just got a text saying we're good to go.